Hello, it's Andy from Email Love, and today I have a very exciting feature to share with you. It is our new AI import feature. So this allows you to take an existing design in Figma, an image of an email, or even a existing component that you have of an email, and we can now import that directly into the Email Love Figma plugin, and then you can use it with your existing designs or design system, or you can use it to create a completely custom design system from scratch. So this should be a huge time saver, especially if you are getting started with our Figma plugin, or if you've been putting it off because you don't want to spend the time rebuilding all of your components with the plugin. So to show you how this works, we are going to first jump over to emaillove.com. So this is a good place to start, actually. This is our website. We have hundreds of thousands of emails on here. So if you haven't had a look, dig around, check it out. I have found a very cool specialized mountain bike email that I want to recreate. The reason I like this is it's quite blocky. It has HTML text. It's got some nice buttons, some pretty good layouts, and I want to recreate this with the Email Love Figma plugin, and I want to do it in minutes, not hours. So what we can do here is, and this might be a new feature that you don't know about on emaillove.com, but you can click on the little camera icon on the left-hand side. This will give you a full PNG image of that email that you can then drag into Figma. So I'm just going to drag that image over into Figma, and let's jump over there and we can show you how it looks. Okay, so here is my Figma design board. So this is the email that we want to recreate or import with AI. And here is the Email Love Figma plugin. So there is a new section of the plugin called AI Studio. You will see this if you are an existing growth customer. So not everyone will see that. If you're on the lower plan or on the free plan, you may not see it. You would have to upgrade. So just keep that in mind if you don't see it. But here is how it works. So it's pretty simple. So we have this AI import. We actually have two tabs, just to explain to you. There's an import design tab, and then there's a generate a campaign from a brief tab. Today, we're just going to focus on the import a design section, though. So what you need to do is you need to select either the existing Figma design component or even just an image of an email. But make sure that that is selected, and then just hit the convert selected frame button, and that is going to upload an image of this email to our AI that we've been working on for quite a while, and it's going to convert this into the MJML format that we use on the back end of our plugin to create responsive and accessible email code. So it does take a minute or two to do this, so bear with me as it creates it. And before you see the output, I'm going to just tell you now, it's not going to be perfect. It's not going to get every single thing right. The fonts might be off. The button might look a little bit different, but that's not the point. The point is this will get you 90% of the way there. And then you can easily customize the design. You can save the components. You can add them to your component library. You can save them inside the plugin. It's also not going to import the images. So these will be replaced by generic images. And you may need to do some like mobile optimization. Like it might not get everything right the first time. But as I mentioned, that is not the point. I will say if you have a very complex email design, you could break it down into smaller chunks as well. So this is actually quite a long email. So it's actually going to take a little while just to generate it. Here it goes. If you want to speed things up, though, you could just kind of slice the hero section and just do the hero, and then do the other sections one at a time. So let's have a look at what our AI has generated. So let's have a look here. So it has added, so again, got this a little bit wrong. It's added the specialized logo at the top. I'm actually not mad at that. That's actually fine. It's got an image. It's got the hero section. This looks pretty close. Like not exactly maybe, but it's pretty good. It's got the product grid. Let's have a look at that. That's a wrapper. You can see here it's built the whole thing with wrappers, rows, columns, in that MJML format. And then the footer is, not exactly how I want it. I'd have to do some customization probably on the App Store icons, but again, that is pretty damn good if you ask me. So let's preview this, just see how it looks. Okay, so you can see here this is HTML text. It's not just generating one big image slice. It's actually creating an HTML email. It's all going to stack. Like this stuff won't stack. It won't reverse stack natively, so we'll need to apply that in the settings. But this looks pretty good. Let's have a look on mobile. Yeah, again, I can change this. I might want to change the alignment of the image or maybe change the padding between these sections. But again, this is all stuff that you can do pretty easily after you import the design. Overall, this should be a huge time saver. Okay, so that is basically how that works. And then you can obviously take these components, you could rename them, you could go into each section of the plugin and you could save them in there as well. So I might want to upload this into my hero section of the plugin. And again, we've actually connected these as well. So if I update the hero, let's say I want to change it to a red, remove it from here, I can then have that update inside the plugin as well. So again, making it super easy for you to manage your components and update them in one place. Yeah, that's pretty much it. It's a very quick, very fast demo. That is how the AI Studio import a design feature for the Email of Figma plugin works. You will have to upgrade your account to give it a go, but I think you'd find this is well worth the money just because it's going to save you a ton of time. It's going to help you get started with the plugin much faster. And I think it's pretty damn cool. So let me know what you think. I'd love to hear from you, and have a good one. Thank you.